So I've taken over the camera today. Basically Jason's off with COVID at the moment. He's asked me to do a review, but I'm not really one for being on camera too much, so I was sort of walking around and I thought I'll get a couple of people off the pitch that can help us, and they'll do the review for us. You might know them. I'll pass you over to them in just a second.
Hello! Sold! We'll take it!
Just don't tell Trudy, but we'll definitely have one. Wow, what a fabulous van.
Well, it's a new version of Trudy. Welcome.
Yeah, she's a younger model.
Oh, she's absolutely amazing.
I really love the finish. It's a really, really smart van. It's been really well thought out actually, hasn't it? Even with the mosquito nets, all the windows have got blinds and nets on them. The little bin here, the kitchen area comes out here, and you've got 2 gas rings here, a sink and a grill. The holy grail of camper life is having a grill and being able to make your toasties.
But look.
Anyone who doesn't want to do steps in the morning, that's for you. Do you want to come around the back and I'll show you the back? This, for me, is one of the selling points. So, like our van has a fixed bed at the back, this also has a fixed bed, but you can raise it up, which means that if you don't live full-time in this van, you can use it as a van as well. So if you have to go and pick up some DIY stuff and don't have an estate car, you can actually carry bits of wood or DIY stuff. The mattress is phenomenal.
It's a duvet.
It is, and underneath you've got all of your accessory panels.
And they're really easy to get to.
Yeah, so you've got all your, is that the boiler and the heating thing for your water?
That's your water heater.
There,
that's fantastic. And unlike our van, where you have to take parts of the dashboard apart to get to your fuse box, all the fuses are there, which is a really well thought out process.
But can I say what I love more about this
I know
van
what you're gonna
than
say.
anything? I'm standing up.
Yeah.
I'm 6'3", just under. I'm standing up, and I've got shoes on.
I know.
I can't do that in Trudy. I'm like that.
Yeah.
So this is definitely higher. For whatever reason, it's higher.
It's brilliant. There's storage under here, so there's plenty of storage there. You've also got storages above, and funky lighting. How cool is this?
Yeah, these are great because I bought some of these for Trudy, and they just keep falling off. But these are like, and they're really low in energy usage as well.
And you've got little lights here. Really well thought out. Here you've got your awning
pole
winder.
That's a good place to put it, isn't it?
It's a great place, tucked away. It's not going to be tripped over, which is wonderful. And these are really easy to pull down. I've just played with them to make sure I didn't kill myself. But literally, it just comes down and it's sprung. And what's really important, these here put some air underneath, so you're not going to get any dampness or anything like that underneath your mattress, which is brilliant. And again, more storage here. Really well thought out. Absolutely love this. Really like this.
And with the cool lights, you've also got speakers in the back.
I know. Oh, speakers, I didn't see those.
There's speakers, look.
I love the colour of the wood as well. It's a really practical colour.
There's a bracket for another telly.
Yeah, another telly. I say another because there's one more round the front.
So on the side you've got this wonderful awning. So you get to spend most of your time sat out in this beautiful sunshine.
Yeah, and come and have a look at the bathroom. This bathroom is fantastic. It's got a really good waterproof tray, a really good toilet. And what I really like is there's plenty of room. I'm not feeling claustrophobic at all here. You've also got some, look here, some little bit of storage there, which is fantastic. A sink. And up here, you've got the shower attachment, just like Trudy. You take the hose out and you can clip it up there. So that's perfect for showers, which is nice. And then you can just feed it back in.
Oh, she's gone.
Ta-da! You've also got a shower curtain as well, which is really good because then it makes sure there's no moisture coming through. You've also got a fantastic fridge, which I worked out how to open, and a massive ice box. Our ice box is only half the size, so double the amount of ice cream.
And a grill. Can I just say, as I do all the cooking in Trudy, we got a grill, and we've also got, if I can open that, there you go, sink here.
Yeah.
2 gas rings, but what's good about these gas rings is they're spaced out. In our van, they're very close together, so it's quite hard to get big saucepans on.
Yeah. Huge.
I'm liking it.
Yeah, there's a huge wardrobe there as well, which is handy. And it's got the extra cushions there for when you fold the bed out. Now this model, just like ours, is a 3 berth, but it's also got 4 seat belts, which is great for picking up hitchhikers or having the kids come and stay.
But if you're like me, I get up really early in the morning.
Yeah.
Marianne tends to lie in a bit. You got the bed that could be at the back. I could come here, edit the videos. It's all good. So you've got your own space as well. And it's a really big, comfy seat.
It is.
Isn't it? And I like that. I love the colour, actually.
Do you think they'll notice if we take this cushion?
I don't think so. Good size, really good size table.
Yeah, there's actually a bonus to this table. Both the passenger, the pilot and passenger seat will turn around to create a nice social area, and that's what we love about Trudy. But the bonus here is the table doesn't really work for the person
For
sitting
this seat,
in there.
yeah.
But underneath there's a little thing here that you can pull a lever down and it just swings out, and it literally just creates a much more social area. So that's a real bonus as well.
Or if I'm working, I can spread my papers out more.
No more spreading. I love also the fact that there's lovely little touches. So you've got little lovely lighting here and up here in the grooves here, which is really well thought out. There's a little coat hanger here, which is nice. You've also got lovely blind systems everywhere. Everything has got a blackout blind.
Yeah.
Which is so important when you're camping, to be able to have that.
And a mozzie net.
Also a mozzie net, because
we all like to park by the water.
Yes.
And next to the rivers and the lakes and everything else comes mosquitoes.
yeah, this van is absolutely brilliant. It's really well finished and it's really young. I'm going to go to the stat sheet, because the thing that shocked me about this van is only how many years old is it?
Up to, yeah, not even one.
Not even
It's
1 year
2021.
old.
Yeah.
This is somebody who obviously looked after it, really bought it because they wanted to have it, and then realised that it wasn't the right fit for them. But this is definitely going to be perfect for somebody.
This would be a good fit
This
for
would be
us.
perfect
This
fit
is
for
great.
us.
If you want to swap, it's
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, she's a diesel. She's a 2.0 litre engine.
2.3 in this.
2.3.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Also, the mileage here.
It's 1,500 miles.
Is it 1,500 mileage?
Yeah.
That's insane. 1.5. That's wonderful. Oh,
That's what you thought it was a 2 litre.
it's 2.3. Yeah, you're right.
It helps if you look
God,
at the
you're
right
here.
page, Marianne.
Thank God you're here. Oh, it's a 6-speed manual.
Yeah.
6-speed.
Yeah, that means it's more economical on fuel.
That's really good.
That's good.
Yeah, it says 2 berth, 2 belts, but they're lying. It's definitely 4 belts because I can see them,
4.
and it's definitely a 3 berth. To be honest,
We've had a friend sleep in our
Yeah.
van. We've got a similar kind of thing, because the table drops
Yeah.
down and the cushions come along, the seat turns around,
Yeah.
and then for a kid or a small adult or
she
a
was thin and
light
beautiful.
friend.
Yes, a light
Yeah,
friend.
we had Annabelle that came with us for
Yeah.
3 months of our trip, and she slept on it. It was wonderful.
Yeah. So both sides come across to completely black out this cab to make it lovely and private. What a very comfortable ride this
Look
is
at the leg
indeed.
space. In Trudy, my legs touch the dashboard, even with the seat full back, because there's a wardrobe just behind.
This is
And-
very luxurious. On the steering wheel as well, I can see that you've got voice controlled. You can use the telephone, and you can also control the music. and the
Hands-free.
sound there.
Yeah. Satellite
We've got a sat
navigation.
nav.
Oh,
Yeah,
satellite
sat nav.
navigation.
No more trying to stick things to the windscreen.
I'm really excited about the 6th gear as well. Oh, cup holder! Cup holder! I get excited about cup holders. Yeah, we've got one of these in Trudy.
They can be quite awkward actually
Yeah,
to get
okay.
up.
Oh, hang on, it's going to be...
Oh, there you go.
That's it.
There
yeah.
you
So
go.
this one you can put your maps, your directions.
We do that actually. We hang paper maps up there, or directions or information. So we actually use ours quite a lot, don't we?
Yeah.
And that just tucks down. and you can put your key, spare key or anything like that under there, and it's hidden away. Not many people even know that it's there.
USB charger, which is always important. Everything has a USB and a 12-volt socket. Cup holders! Yay! We say that because in our van we've just got one cup holder here, and we were saying how amazing it would be to actually have 2 cup holders so we don't have to share a cup of coffee.
Yeah, this is really lovely. I'm loving the finish on all. Oh, look at that! I'm
Yeah,
loving.
it's total blackout.
It's really well designed, isn't it?
This is lovely. It's got a real luxurious feel about it as well, hasn't it?
It does. It feels very posh.
Very, very nice.
And this is bright. In ours, this is storage, which for us is great because I keep all my camera gear and everything up here. But this is wonderful to be able to just see the sky like that. It lets so much light in. I love this actually. This is a really great window.
I suppose that's a compromise. If you don't need as much storage, then some of these areas are going to be open. But if you feel you want that light, airy, non-claustrophobic cab, this is really special, isn't it? This is lovely.
Airbags.
And both chairs turn round, which is great.
Little hidden storage thing there. That's great. They both turn round. I can't believe the space.
I can't believe the space.
And I'm not going to hit my head on the roof here,
No, this is a really, really lovely van. Do you think he'll do a deal?
The armrest comes down?
Maybe we will.
I love the colour scheme as well. The colours are really good because there's nothing worse than having really garish material in a van. You want something a little bit more neutral, and it just makes it more relaxing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And with this lighting, it's super special.
This is upper class van life.
This is wonderful.
Yeah.
And it's perfect for like short breaks, but it's also got enough space if you get on.
Yeah, it's fine. We've lived in ours for 3 years now.
Yeah,
and it's the same layout, exactly the same. This is the perfect layout for a van for us.
I'm loving the bed lifting up because it just...
Yes, we don't have that.
We have so many times when we need to help people and pick up things for people, and we literally have to put it across the bed or wedge it in or lift it over the kitchen unit. It's a bit of a drama, where that makes it a really practical van. So even if you're not using it for a camper van, at home it would be really practical as well.
And the cooker runs off, the grill runs off LPG.
Okay.
As do the hobs as well.
The heating system?
Well?
Yeah, heating system, gas and electric.
Okay.
And it's a Truma system, so if you were to get an iNet box, then you can run it off your phone as well.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
I believe it's also got solar.
Yes, yeah, we've got a solar panel.
It's the way forward. Solar is definitely the way forward.
Yeah.
And the batteries?
I believe it's one battery.
One leisure battery.
Yeah. Standard.
Which will charge up with the solar.
Yeah.
Or when you're driving.
Yeah.
Great.
As long as you've got a good battery, you don't actually need that many.
No. Exactly. No, it's good.
I love it.
Yeah, great.
Sold.
Sorry, I'm a bit speechless. It doesn't happen often.
Yeah, capture that moment. So this van is actually 6 meters long, which is just slightly, like a few centimeters bigger than Trudy, but it is the perfect size because with a van this size, you can literally go anywhere. You could park it in the shopping mall. You won't be sticking out. 6 meters is a great size. And if you're taking a ferry or if you're shipping your van, it's great because it goes by the length of the vehicle, and this one keeps the price down. And height-wise, it is 2.72 meters, which is why I can stand up, because ours is 268-ish.
Yep. And as it's such a young van, it literally is brand new. I can't believe everything is so, it looks beautiful. And it's the Champagne 174.
And being that model, it's actually got 140 brake horsepower upgrade, which means it's got a bit more oomph. The water tank is bigger than ours. The water tank, fresh water, holds 93 litres. So with that, it will last you a fair while. And the wastewater is 58 litres, which is a good size.
Don't tell Trudy, but I'm falling in love.
That's it. Jason, did we get the job?
I'm sure we'll see it when he comes out. But yeah, thanks guys. If you haven't followed or you aren't subscribed to Tread the Globe already, make sure to subscribe to them.
Start it up.